Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can turn off comment on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone and I'm going to show you guys how we can turn off comment on all TikTok posts or turn off comment on a specific post. The first one, I'm going to show you how you can turn off comment on all TikTok posts. We can go to our profile first and then we can go to the TikTok settings and privacy. We can click on these three lines on the top right and then go to the settings and privacy. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the privacy and here we'll be able to turn off the comment for all TikTok posts. We can click on comments, okay, and you can click on allow comments from. All right, and if you want to turn off your comment, you can select no one, so no one can leave a comment on your TikTok post. Okay, and now others can't comment on any of your current or future posts. Okay, and then I'm just going to set it to everyone again. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can turn off comment on a specific post on TikTok. We can go back to our profile and then you can choose a post you want to turn off the comment. For example, I'm going to turn off comment on this post. Okay, we can click on the post like this and click on this three dots. Oops, sorry. Click on this three dots. And then you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find the privacy setting. Okay, and here you can disable the allow comments. Okay, and now all of the comments on this post will be disabled, so other can't leave a comment here. And I'm just going to open my another TikTok account to check it. I'm just going to switch to my second account on TikTok. Wait guys, it's still loading and I'm going to search for my first account. Okay, and I'm going to try to leave a comment right here. Okay, as you can see that the comment has been turned off. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn off comment on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.